from the daily list. Item number 1.
May it please yours. This is the appeal under section 37, my lord, against the order passed by learned commercial court, my lord. Issue is a very short one, my lord. There are 3 claims on which there are disputes, my lord. One was with regard to release of bank guarantee document. What learned arbitrator has held, my lord, that the claim of the claimant was only for release of bank guarantee document.
What is the total awarded amount?
1 crore 37 lakh, an odd amount.
You have challenged that.
Yes, I have challenged that.
Your section 34 has been dismissed.
My section 34 has been dismissed.
Only.
Only, my lord, because only this judgment runs into about 80 pages. Only 1 paragraph is there in 34 in entire consideration, my lord.
Have they taken any steps in execution?
No, my lord, they have no steps have been taken.
So you secure that amount, we will admit the appeal?
Yes, lord. Only one submission, my lord. One submission, my lord. The claim of the claimant was only for release of bank guarantee amount, which was about 33 lakh rupees. They wanted release of the bank guarantee document. There was no.
Mr. Counsel, we cannot go into the merits
Yes,
of the matter now.
The
The law mandates that the entire claim has to be secured.
Yes,
pending hearing of the appeal.
Yes, my lord. We have already deposited 30% of the amount before the learned commercial court out of the entire decretal amount. Out of the entire amount, my lord. Balance, we can, my lord.
How much have you deposited?
40 lakh 76,226. What is the amount? Total amount?
1 crore 35 lakh 87.
$40 lakhs?
40 lakh 76,226, my lord. Out of 1 crore 35 lakh 87,418. 0.73.
1,35,000?
1 crore 35 lakh 87,418.
What is the nature of the deposit? Cash deposit?
It was by draft demand draft.
They have withdrawn also.
And they have withdrawn that amount also, my lord.
Withdrawn that amount?
Yes. Before the district court, commercial court under section 34, at that stage that amount was deposited, my lord.
Pursuant to orders passed by the court?
But pursuant to the orders passed by the court. Yes, pursuant to the order passed on 21st December 2020, my lord.
21st December?
21st December 2020.
How much is withdrawn?
40 lakh 76,226, my lord.
Withdrawn?
Withdrawn.
And the date of the order?
Is 21st December 2020, my lord.
December?
21st December, 2-1, my lord. I'm sorry, 2-1.
And on that date, sir, they withdrew?
No, withdrawal, the deposit is on 11th February 2020, my lord. What is the date of the
And withdrawal?
11/3/2022. 22.
11th February 2022, my lord, that amount has been deposited and withdrawn thereafter, my lord. Exact date is not available to me as of now, my lord. 2022 or 20?
2022. 22.
So there is a considerable delay in preparing the appeal.
No, my lord, the judge, it was delay of 59 days, which was condoned by your lordship. Because this matter was pending in 34. At that stage of 34, my lord, direction was issued to pay 40 lakh rupees. We made the payment in 2022. Appeal was disposed of around
No, when was the impugned order passed?
Impugned order, the award was passed, my lord. The award is of 2019, my lord.
No, not the impugned order dismissing the Section 34.
The impugned order, my lord. Yes.
Eight five, 2024.
8/5/2024, my lord.
And what happened on 21st December 2020?
My 34 application was pending.
Filed it, you filed it.
I filed 34 against the award which was delivered in 2019, my lord. What is the date?
20th September 2000.
20th September 2019 is the award, my lord. I preferred 34 within 90 days. Direction was issued to deposit.
No, 20th September,
2019 is the date of the award, my lord.
yes. But 21st December 2020,
Is the direction by the learned commercial court, my lord, to deposit 30%.
and you deposited on 1st February.
I deposited on 11th February 2022, my lord.
How come they were permitted to take away the amount?
Yes, my lord. Because the order, if I read, my lord, the order is short order, one-page order, my lord. Respondent has filed so cause that the parties have mutually agreed to dispose of the instant petition on mutual consent on the following terms, my lord. This was in execution 36-2. The impugned award shall remain suspended till the disposal of commercial arbitration 18 of 2019, subject to petitioner depositing 30% of the awarded amount within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order. In the event petitioner failing to deposit as agreed 30% of the awarded amount, there before this court stipulated time, the respondent shall be liberty to take a step for execution of the award. So award was stayed subject to deposit of 30% amount, my lord.
By consent.
By consent.
Yes, please take down. This is an appeal under Section 37 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Next. An award, an arbitral award for rupees 1,35, 87, 418 was pronounced in favor of the respondent. You begin the sentence by saying on 20th, September 2019, an award for so-and-so was pronounced in favor of the respondent. Full stop, within time. An application under Section 34 of the said Act was preferred by the appellant. On 21st December 2020, the learned trial judge directed the appellant to deposit 30% of the awarded amount. Full stop. This order was passed by consent of the parties. On 11th February 2022, rupees 40,76. No, this order was passed by consent of the parties, don't write, strike out. Accordingly, rupees 40,76, 276.
2226.
Huh?
226 million. 40, 76, 226.
226 was deposited by the appellant. In the learned court below. By consent of the parties, this amount was allowed to be withdrawn by the respondent award holder. Paragraph. We formally admit the appeal, then as the respondent is appearing, issuance and service of notice of appeal is dispensed with. We also dispense with transmission of lower court records. So we shall call for it later if required. Then advocate of record for the appellant will prepare an informal paperwork. November 22nd. The usual format, serving a copy 7 days before the hearing of the appeal. List the appeal for hearing on 9 December. Is there any miscellaneous?
No, there is no miscellaneous.
No miscellaneous application?
No, beloved.
We have not filed execution.
All right.
Item,
No. We direct the appellant to deposit rupees 1 crore
Balance is about 95 lakh rupees million. So 95 lakh rupees, because 135, 11,192 is the balance amount.
All right. We direct the appellant to deposit roughly the balance quoted sum of rupees 95 lakhs with the Registrar General. Of this court by 11th November. Full stop. Till 11 November 2024, there shall be unconditional stay of the award. Full stop. If the above sum is deposited, the stay will continue till disposal of the appeal or until further order, whichever is earlier. Full stop. If not deposited within the stipulated time, comma, upon a certificate being issued by the Registrar General to this effect, the appellant shall be at liberty to execute the award. the respondent. The Registrar General shall invest the deposited sum in a term deposit with State Bank of India upon intimation to the parties. That's all.
Grateful, my lord.
Item number 2.
My lord, as for the last order, but I have submitted the list of the orders, copies of the order passed by this honorable court. I have subcopy to the respondent state also. Madam, can you see the order dated the 1st October 2024? This honorable court allowed the petitioner and the respondent states to correlate the orders and place before this honorable court. So from my side, I have filed with a copy to the other side. This confines to the vending method. Public spaces occupied by the vendors.
Which orders you are referring to?
My lord, before I go to the orders, lordship, I refer to 1st October 2024, the last order.
Page 18.
But 1st October 2024. My lord is referring to the last order of this court.
What is the date of the order?
The date of the order is, my lord, 1st October 2024, the last order. My lord, can you see the order sheets?
Yes.
My lord. Yes. Mary, as per the matter is of extreme importance, and the issue is hanging in fire, as can be seen from the earlier orders passed by this court, especially orders and such, where a tentative timeline for the process has been spelled out, but could not adhere to, and as the matter appears to be a stalemate, this court deems fit to direct the petitioners and the state respondents in both these connected matters to correlate the order passed earlier by this court and the other events with regards to matter dealing with the vendors in various areas in Shillong. Compilation of the orders and the notes may be filed before this court census, after which matter shall follow. So from my side, my lord, I have a file, and I have also spelled out the events. The second page of my compilation. The next page, my lord, the notes, report 6 March 2022. Numerous reports has in place with regard to vending also, but my lord, action has not been taken.
August.
What?
24th August.
Yes. My lord is referring to the order.
Yes.
But the order I read out is 1st October.
Yes, that we have seen.
Yes.
Now what you want?
My lord, in pursuance of the matter, I placed this compilation for lordship necessary order.
What orders you are asking for?
My lord, my prayer at this stage would be direct the government to identify the vending zones and issue a certificate to those eligible vendors under the Act and relocate them. So that will give easing the traffic in the public spaces. My lord. Huge public places have been taken over by the vendors, the hawkers. And under the Act, adopted by the state government. The duty of the town vending committee is to identify the vending zones and prepare the list of the eligible vendors who can come forward to obtain the license. And after obtaining the license, they can be relocated. If the vendor is not willing to go for relocated places, then the state government can evict or remove them. Now, I'm not espousing the cause of the vendors. I'm representing for the public cause. Here, the entire Malot city has been taken over by the vendors. And numerous reports has been placed by the government also with a time frame. No action has been taken place.
The vending license is provided to vend on the road.
Well, now under the Act, Vending Act 2014, government must identify the vending zones. And in that vending zones, they can allocate these vendors.
By vending license of two types. One is by setting up of stalls or shops on the road. And the other is by hawking, that is.
Therefore, the hawking of vendors is not permissible under the Act. Therefore, government has to relocate the places and shift these vendors who occupy on the public road today, shift it in that place, so that they will not interfere with the traffic, the free flow of the traffic and the movement of the pedestrians. Now, what is lacking in this case is, my lord, government is not identifying the vending zones, and therefore taking the advantage of the situation, vendors is still occupying the public places, and public is suffering. Therefore, unless government enforce the law, my lord, public will continue to suffer.
Let us, the previous one is Chief Justice Banerjee had passed an order.
Well, may I take that order?
24/8/2022 is the first order.
My lord, may I take 20? Yes, this is the order passed in, my lord, in the other connected writ appeal. And my lord, here the government came forward in adopting the Central Act by repealing their own act. So this order got allowed, my lord. And page 5 of the compilation, para 7, while closing the matters, other matters, my lord, this honored court has made this observation. Para 7, it's hoped that the preparation of the rule is completed and uniform implementation thereof undertaken in a time-bound manner so that there is no uncertainty or arbitrariness about the process. This was closed. Thereafter, my lord, nothing happened. Therefore, the present petitioner has filed this present PIL. And this honored court, my lord, page number 6 of the compilation, order dated 16/12/2021. This order was passed, and I come to the page number 7, the next page. In the middle of that page, the authorities must also appreciate that no effective traffic management may be possible unless hawkers are regulated and are removed from the carriageways. This was the observation initially. And the order dated 29/2023, my lord, same compilation. My lord, may kindly see para 4, page 9. Another observation, my lord. Though the state has demanded a report obtained from an international agency, and at the behest of this court, IAM Shillong was also requested to look into the matter and workshop convened, nothing seems to have come out. Even worse, vendors have spilled on the streets that makes pedestrian travel impossible on the footpaths and leave the pedestrian to jostle with vehicles on the roads. For the elderly and the disabled, Shillong Road is a threat to life. My lord, para 8, the state would do well to ensure that those encroach on the road space and have altogether taken over the footpaths are kept at bay or relegated so that the available roads and the footpaths may be used only by vehicles and pedestrians, respectively. Another order, my lord, page number 11, series of order passed, man. Page number 11, order dated 18 October 2023. Page number 11. With my Lord permission, para 5, order dated 18 October, para 3, page 11. Para 3. Indeed, in many areas, pavements have been completely taken over by hawkers and vendors, forcing pedestrians to spill on the streets, which are already far narrow to accommodate smooth vehicular movement. These malice can be seen from the prime Laitumkura area in Shillong. Now, another order may come to page number 13, bearing order dated 14 May 2024. Here was a para 2, my lord. In para 2, in one of the reports filed by the Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya Home Police Department, such, in paragraph such, it is stated the vending zones will have to be identified by conducting a survey of vendors, publication of claims and objections, publication of final list, notification of street vending plan, and relocation of vendors in phase-wise manner. The relevant paragraph such is reproduced. Now, survey of vendors, they fix well out 4th December 2023 to 16 January 2024. Survey of the list soliciting claims and objections, 23rd February to 23rd March 2024. Publication of final list, 15 April 24. Notification of street vending plan, 30 April 24. Relocation of vendors in phase-wise manner, May to September 2024. But this has not been taken. Nothing has been taken on the ground. This was the report given by the Secretary, and nothing has been taken. But in view of this situation, the last order, 1st October 24, was passed by this Honorable Court. And if I refer to the report submitted by the respondent state, the own timeline framed by the department, but it was never fulfilled. If Lordship may take the pain to see the order date as a report date is 6 March 24, submitted by the Melon Secretary, is very clear. Is more detailed. 6 March 24. Well, this is the commitment given by the respondent state before this court, and nothing has been done. My Lord, we kindly see point number 2, street vendor scheme. Married matter. Constitution of Town Vending Committee, subsequent to the adoption of the Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 24, the Town Vending Committee was constituted by such. Notification, my Lord, as mandated by the Act, the state government has also notified the scheme 2023, dated such. Survey of street vending, identification of vendors, survey of street vendors within Shillong municipality was conducted from 4 December 23 to 16 January 24. A total number of 1,400 street vendors have been surveyed. The area-wise details are as follows. These are the localities where congested areas are in the city here.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
Nothing else.
First, if your Lordship will like to express my unconditional apology, Lordship. As per order dated 1/10/2024, even the state was supposed to compile the order. Lordship, for some reasons, Lordship, we just missed out the deadline. But my learned friend has relied on all the orders. So, Lordship, at this stage, if I just come to page 14, Your Lordship, page 14 of order dated 14/5/2024. This is part of my report of 6th March 2024, page 2, which my learned friend read out. Page 14, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship, on 6th March, we had categorically set the timeline. as to what steps government have taken. And this is also reflected in the order, Your Lordship. The timeline is very, very clearly, Your Lordship, tentative timeline for the process. Survey of vendors, Your Lordship, that we had picked, this was a tentative timeline. Number one, survey of the list, 25th February to 21st March, publication of final list, notification of street vending plans, relocation of vendors in Fairwise May. So, Your Lordship, tentatively, we had kept the upper time limit was September 2024. Lordship, we are today on 28 October. So, Lordship, at this stage, Your Lordship, I'll just crave the leave to file a status report as to what exactly happened after September 2024. It is not the case of state, Your Lordship, that we have not taken concrete steps. A matter of such larger public interest, Your Lordship, where there are cross purpose between public interests and hawkers and vendors, we have to tread very carefully, Your Lordship, because their rights were also interested. And there's one more PIL, Your Lordship, the other PIL. I'm not part of it right now, where the location was directed by the government, and they came to the court to, if they file a PIL, the vendors that file a PIL, saying that their rights should not be affected. I'm not into that, Your Lordship. Right now, the only submission that I'm making, Your Lordship, is this: there's a concrete step with the government, and we have as on 1/10/2024, this step taken by the government, which culminated by September 2024. I crave the leave that kindly grant us at least 15 days or 20 days time. What has happened to this 6/3/2024 timeline that we had given? How far we've been able to execute, and where are the bottlenecks, and what are the course of action that government intend to take to give some quietus to this very important issue. So far, hawkers are concerned, Your Lordship. We'll just come back within 3 weeks as to the latest status. And that is exactly what was the intention of this Honorable Court on 1/10/2024, when it requested the petitioner and the State Council to compile the order as to know what should be the way forward. So, Your Lordship, the way forward would be this order is very important, and we need to file a status report as to what is the timeline. So, at this stage, Your Lordship, I'll just...
You were given time up to 29/5/2024.
Lordship, the petitioner never filed an objection to that. Lordship will kindly see page 14, para 3. We had filed the report on 6th March, Your Lordship. They never filed any clarification. Not for a moment I'm submitting, Your Lordship. We wanted a clarification as to what should be the more...
Who are the authorities?
Lordship.
There is more than one.
There are multiple authorities.
Now, who control traffic on the... one should be the municipality.
Lordship, yes.
Which is the municipality here?
There is a municipality, Your Lordship, yes. Shillong Municipal Board.
Shillong Municipal Board.
Your Lordship, yes.
The second should be the police.
Lordship, yes.
And any other?
And Lordship, if I may submit, the primary authority, so far these areas are concerned, other than the European world, the primary authority are the local Darbar Shillongs, Lordship. They are the constitutional bodies which comes under 6th schedule.
Primary?
They are the primary controlling authority. They also have parallel jurisdiction in terms of allocation of land. And
the authority is called primary?
In areas which is outside European world, Your Lordship. In European world, the municipality has got complete control, administrative control.
Yes.
But for example, like Lamukra, other areas, they the local Darbar Shillong, the local heads, they are prime authority, Your Lordship. There has to be a working relationship between the municipality, between the district administration and the local heads. So there are a lot of administrative bottleneck, Your Lordship, and that's why we are given a tentative timeline as to how do we execute.
Who's in control of things in the districts? Outside Shillong?
Outside Shillong, Your Lordship, if it's a administrative area, it's the local Darbar Shillong, and they have got the whole institution of Darbar Shillong, which comes directly flows from 6th schedule and district council.
Local authority.
And they come within the ambit of the 6th schedule. They are controlled by the district councils, and there is another sub-tier authority known as Save Millim. So the whole hierarchy of system is in place. Not for a moment we are saying, Your Lordship, that
Are we concerned with Shillong or the entire state?
No, Shillong, Your Lordship. Shillong has got three very important areas. One is the normal Shillong, otherwise known as European world. These were the British Shillong. totally where the state laws are totally applicable, the state administration, the municipal law, and the normal laws, Your Lordship. Then we have got a second tier known as administrative area, where the municipal law is applicable, at the same time the Darbar Shillong laws under the 6 schedules are applicable. So these are local authorities which needs to be taken on board for any effective decisions. And third, Your Lordship, we have CM Million area which is outside Shillong. Those are totally governed by a different act. And these are all legislation, Your Lordship, are they?
It's confusing.
That is also.
So, Your Lordship, so far Shillong, but city is concerned, Your Lordship, that's why we have given a tentative tail line, Your Lordship. That so far these first phase is concerned, Your Lordship, how do we intend to identify and see what can be done? And Lordship is aware, supposing an area comes under Darbar Shillong, at the best we can issue, under municipal law, Your Lordship, they can be issued notice and a penalty can be imposed, but we can't evict them. We can't evict them because state authority has got no power there. At the best, it could be a case of identifying them and saying you can't run here. But state has got no power under the Public Premise Act to say you move out if it was not a state property.
No, but those rules have been enacted.
Lordship, yes. But the jurisdiction lies with the district council, Your Lordship. And the district council courts have got jurisdiction over it.
Those rules have been made.
Lordship,
Therefore,
yes. The entire structure of rules are clearly flowing. So for municipality is concerned and state is concerned, Your Lordship, if I must submit, European what? Yes, state has got complete control. That is one of the reasons like we were expecting a report from a learned friend as to within European what there are areas where district administration and the municipality has got complete power. Then we pass an order and the police has to execute. But other than that area, and major chunk of area, Lordship, if a Lordship gets any opportunity, Lordship will kindly move through the lanes and the roads in Limukra, where the major issue is concerned. There's a major hub outside Police Bazaar. Police Bazaar is the European world. And a different kind of a hawker case, even matter traveled till division bench, Lordship. And the matter came to and fro and the state is trying to identify. But a major problem comes in Limukra, which is directly under the control of the district council authority, the Darbar Shillong. They are the owners of the land. They have got administrative power. And to execute anything per se, Lordship, for state would be difficult because it has to pass the test of the local authorities.
Yes, please take down. We have heard learned counsel for the parties. We have considered the explanation offered by the learned AAG, Mr. K. Khan. For delay in submission of the report of the state government in compliance with earlier orders passed in this matter. We grant the government time till 6 December 2024 peremptorily to comply with the order of this court dated 14th May 2024. In addition to or in clarification of the materials data policy plan, policy, plan of action and timelines proposed to be directed, proposed to be included in the report. We make the following observations which should be considered at the time of preparation of the final report. Next, more than one administrative authority is in charge of regulation of traffic movement. Say, for example, in Shillong, in a substantial part of Shillong, which is described as the European part, traffic is regulated by the municipal authority and the police. Under
Police. Sorry, traffic.
no, but what will be entry, no entry areas? This is the municipality. Municipality has
The vending phones.
is all right. The municipality and the police, the police being wholly responsible for movement whereas the municipality the district or interfere with the movement by creation of vending areas in streets. Whereas the municipality can regulate the area for movement of traffic by granting licenses for conduct of street business.
My Lord, may allow me to interject at this stage, my Lord. Under the Downwending Act 2014, the Downwending Committee, constituted by the government, comprising of the municipal officers, district administrations, and the local authorities. These Downwending committees...
Please listen to this order. After the order is complete, please make your observations. Similarly, there are more than one authority in other areas, including the districts. Which is the ministry in for this?
Lordship, basically it comes under urban
Sorry,
department, Your Lordship.
urban.
Urban affairs.
Urban affairs, Your Lordship. Urban affairs.
And the district?
District, Your Lordship, basically again urban affairs has got it has got its own area of and the authority on the urban is Deputy Commissioner, Your Lordship.
The Principal Secretary, Urban Affairs Department is directed to constitute a committee in each of the areas. He is directed to demarcate each of these administrative areas in relation to traffic movement. Full stop. For each of these areas, he should constitute a committee comprising of the authorities responsible for regulation of traffic. A timeline should be set for creation of this committee. Next. The primary task of each of these committees for each of the areas should be first to specify the areas where street vending is permitted by law. Secondly, the committee should make an inventory of the vendors who are authorized to vend their articles, to vend their goods in these authorized areas. They should also identify whether those who have been authorized are actually vending there or have sublet or parted with possession of those places to third parties who are operating without license or authorization. Next, thereafter, areas which are not authorized to be used as for vending should be carefully identified and demarcated. Thereafter, on visit and inspection, a detailed inventory should be made of persons who are vending in those unauthorized areas without license. The report should also contain a statement in some detail as to the extent or percentage of the road surface occupied by unauthorized vendors and the extent to which it is interfering with traffic movement. Above the above particulars may be included in the report directed to be prepared in terms of the order dated 14th May 2024. Such a report should positively, by when you can file the report?
Should this may require a bit of meeting and exercise and report and feedback. It may require some time.
3 months?
Lordship, tentatively, if need be, we can ask for extension. Tentatively within 3 months.
By 28th February.
Lordship.
List this application. First week of March.
Lordship.
May it pleases your lordships. My lord, item 2 and item 6 have been tagged together in the, as per the last order of this honorable court, my lord, dated 1/10/2024. My lord,
This was item number 2.
this is item 2. So 2 and 6.
Common order,
My lord.
2 and 6.
Item number 3.
Lordship, this is a low tax effect. My lords have kept it for today for order. It is against the CBDT circular number 9 of 2024 on 17th September. The tax effect for filing the appeal before High Court is 2 crore rupees, my lord. And this appeal, the tax effect is even less than 1 crore.
My lord, I am praying for a short accommodation, lordship. I have sought for an instruction from the department about the tax effect, my lord. That was not reflected either of the in either of the orders. So, my lord, may I pray, my lord, let it be listed in the next week, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, if it is below the threshold limit, then it is, my lord, we are going to withdraw, my lord. Only for that clarification, my lord.
My lords, last time I have given the computation sheet in which the tax effect was already below that limit, my lord, that threshold limit. That computation sheet, my lords, have circulated last time.
All right, on the prayer of learned counsel for the Appellant Revenue,
Lordship.
to take instructions on
My
the
lord.
tax effect in this matter. We adjourn the appeal till November.
Lord,
Is it 11th,
deeply obliged.
11th November, my lords?
Yes,
Grateful.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
total can be 2. Or 2.
May please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for a short accommodation in this matter, my lord.
This is called a batting collapse in cricket.
Lordship.
First matter done, second matter done.
Lordship.
And then the wickets start falling, 2, 3, 4 all out. We will be all out in 5 minutes. What is the problem?
My lord, actually the petitioner, he's appearing in person, my lord, and he's having some difficulties, my lord.
He is appearing in person.
Yes, my lord.
Who are you appearing for?
I'm for the petitioner on his behalf, my lord, but
How can you appear in person?
Sir.
When you are also appearing?
my lord, there are certain issues, my lord, which
No. This kind of thing is not that half the advocate will submit and half he will submit in person. That is not allowed.
my lord, we'll take care of the issue, my lord.
How
Can you grant me some time, my lord?
how much?
A week's time will be fine.
What do you say?
No objection, Your Honor.
By consent of learned counsel for the parties, list this application. List this application on 6th November.
6th number. Deeply, my lord.
Thank you very much.
Item number 5.
You're filing it? Yeah, thanks.
But in this matter, we had gone personally visited the, my lord, the site, and we have found, my lord, that there are certain patches, my lord, which has not been attended. So what we are praying, my lord, we'll take some more photographs and visit again, my lord, and file a detailed affidavit, my lord. For the timing, my lord, may kindly permit me to place some photographs.
The rejoinder affidavit you were supposed to file.
My lord, we are gathering the materials, my lord. We have personally visited the site and taken some photographs, my lord, of the worst site, my lord.
Please take down, the petitioner has not been able to.
These photographs may kindly place on record, my lord.
No, nothing. You put that in your affidavit.
Lordship.
The petitioner has not been able to prepare a rejoinder affidavit in terms of our order dated 4th October 2024. This public interest litigation is adjourned till November. The time to file the rejoinder affidavit is extended till 6th November.
Lordship, we have just compared with the last part. The Honorable Court was pleased to say it goes without saying that the intervening period government will take in all immediate measures to maintain the road and keep it a pliable condition. So Lordship is brought to the notice of the Honorable Court along with the original photographs the intervening period, there were a lot of patches. We've been able to do some work in it. So we brought it on record, Your Lordship. That
All
part.
right.
Still major part, my lord, yet to be attended. Major part is yet to be attended, my lord.
No, those photographs you are
Yes,
producing?
I've given Your Lordship.
Oh,
In file of a status report.
The earlier photographs are mine, my lord.
These are both my. We are comparing the last part of this Honorable Court's direction, Your Lordship. Lordship, especially the last photograph, Your Lordship. Here you find details. One. ठीक.
where did we work?
We have given the location also.
ठीक.
This stretch of rock. Used to do that. District there.
Is it Mr. K. Khan, learned AG, produces before this court some photographs to show that the government is very seriously complying with the direction made by us on 14th December 2024. Yes, October 2024 for on maintenance of the road and to keep them in a pliable condition. As may be required in emergent circumstances. We record with satisfaction the work done by the government and direct that all parts of the state are all parts of the state are covered by this action. Full stop. A short report, a short action taken report may be filed on the returnable date of this application. Yes, a report in the form of an affidavit.
Deeply by Judge.
Affidavit including the above photographs. You can put them in an affidavit. Full stop. In the meantime, the photographs furnished by learned AAG is taken on record. We are just taking it on record.
Absolutely, Lordships.
Item number 7.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. This matter, my lord, we assign the order of the learned single bench, my lord, learned single judge. The impugn order, my lord, passed on 24/6/2024, my lord. My lord, before coming into the merits, my lord, I'll brief facts of the matter, my lord. Gist facts, my lord. I was appointed in the year 1988 as motor mechanic, my lord, by order dated 3/3/1988, my lord. After my appointment, I was instructed by the state respondent to produce school certificate so that they will record the actual and correct date of birth in the service record, my lord. And immediately thereafter, my lord, I approached the school where I have studied and I passed out class 7.
Yes.
Thereafter, the school had issued certificate dated 9/3/1988 and accordingly I have submitted. That is an admitted position that I have submitted the school certificate to the state respondent. In their affidavit, they have admitted, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I was continuing in my service without any blemish, without any demur, whatsoever, my lord. During my entire service tenure, during my entire service career, the state respondent could have issued notice to me with regard to the recording of 2 date of birth, my lord. That they have recorded 2 date. One is 1964, only year, my lord, comma, another, the actual and correct date of birth, that is 24th January 1967. That is my actual and correct date of birth. So, because the reason is, my lord, the state respondent is the custodian of the service recordial, my lord. During my service career, I was never allowed to access with the service record, my lord. All of a sudden, my lord, they have put down a notice dated 10/5/2022 stating that by quoting rule SR 8A of Meghalaya FR and SR rules 1984 stating that your superannuation date on 30 June 2022. Immediately on receiving this notice, I immediately rushed to the SP concerned. Then I filed my 2 representations. They have not received the same, but they have accepted. They have not given receipt and give assurance to the appellant.
When was this notice issued?
My lord, 10/5/2022, my lord.
That you would,
Yes,
that
my
would you retire on?
Retired on 30 June 2022. Thereafter, they have prematurely released me white order dated 29/6/2022, my lord. That if my lord allows me, kindly at page 51 of my petition.
That you would retire at 22 itself?
Itself, my lord. Then they have referred my application, my representation to the Lok Adalat, my lord. Then I came before Lok Adalat for settling the matter. In the Lok Adalat, my lord, I was present personally, my lord, along with the council. I personally being there, my lord. The matter was not settled. Then, my lord, I approached this honorable court, invoking 226, my lord. After hearing the matter was dismissed. Therefore, hence this instant writ appeal before your lordships, my lord. My lord,
kindly see, my lord.
Usually the retirement process starts around 1 year before retirement.
My lord is correct.
How come you were given only 1 month's notice, 1 month
My lord,
before
that is-
you came to know? You must have known at least 1 year before.
My lord, yes.
You have to fill in the papers, etc. The pension papers are prepared.
Absolutely correct, my lord.
Then?
My lord, the itself in the release notice, they have quoted Rule 57C of FRSR rules. In the said rule itself, it is written that prior to issuing the notice, invoking 57C, they have to give 3 months prior notice, 3 months before they have to issue notice. But instantly, but in this case, interestingly, the notice was issued on 10/5/2022 and released me on 29/6, my lord.
That may be noticed, but the preparation for retirement starts 1 year before.
Absolutely, my lord. My lord, with regard to the counter affidavit, my lord, come to the counter affidavit filed by the state. The recording of 2 dates of birth, one is year 1964, another is actual date of birth 24/1/1967.
That they have admitted.
They have neither. They have replied, neither they have admitted. Meaning thereby they have admitted.
What have they said in their affidavit before the learned single judge?
Well, state affidavit.
Yes.
They have admitted that school certificate was on record during the time of his appointment, but with regard to 2 date of birth, they have neither they have specifically admitted, neither they have denied. So meaning thereby there is an admission on their part, my lord.
Show us the affidavit.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit, counter affidavit starts from page 58, my lord. Kindly come to page 61, para 6 of the counter affidavit filed by the state, my lord. Para 6, my lord. Page 61. If my lord allows me to read, my lord.
Five and 6 paragraphs.
Yes, my lord. 5 and 6, my lord. They have admitted that school certificate was on record, but only they
have said that you have slipped in this certificate without any authority.
My lord,
Paragraph 6.
that is it possible for the employee to step in their record because they are the custodian, my lord? I am not the custodian, my lord. The employer is the custodian of the service recordial, my lord. And there is no occasion for the appellant during his entire service career to know this issue, my lord. They could have issued, there is a violation of principle of natural justice, my lord. They could have issued me notice, given me an opportunity of hearing, since there is 2 date of birth, my lord. One is year, one is actual date of, and during my entire service career, my lord, kindly appreciate, my lord, they have issued me the service ID card, first service ID card, my lord. May I show, my lord, at page 40 of my writ appeal, my lord, of my petition, my lord. That is the first service ID card. In the said ID card,
This stops.
Nobody nobody is online now. He's only when a case is taken. Only when a case is taken. Somebody appears online.
Oh, but the live streaming is on.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, they have issued me the service ID card at page 40, my lord. I have annexed. In this, there is a first service ID card, my lord. In that service ID card, they have recorded the actual and correct date of birth as per a school certificate. 24th January, page 40, my lord, in my petition, my lord, writ appeal. Page 40, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, 24/01/1967. This is the first service ID card, my lord. There is the ID card. Thereafter, my lord, another service ID card was issued. That is at page 43, my lord. The same date of birth, my actual date of birth, at page 43, same ID. Another ID card, renewed ID card with this previous one was paper ID card. Thereafter, master ID card came, that is hard copy like Aadhaar, everything, Lordship has aware of it. Plastic ID card. This one is like plastic ID card. Nude one, my lord. At page 43, my lord. They have recorded my actual and correct date of birth, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, in GPF statement, that is the government record, my lord. Their report, my lord. My lord, the GPF statement at page 52, annexure 11, my lord. My lord, in the left side, date of birth, my lord. Page 52, my lord, GPF statement. That is getting from online, my lord, we get it printed. In the left side, date of birth, 24/01/1967, my lord. That is not my record, my lord, the state's record, my lord. In all my, I have annexed, my lord, PAN card, Aadhaar. Though Aadhaar recent judgment has come, Aadhaar is not the exclusive proof of date of birth. I am not going into that, my lord. My lord,
Who's for the respondent?
my lord.
Lordship, I'm for the state, my lord.
You are ready in the matter?
Lordship, just to reply to what the counsel for the petitioner has
No, you are ready to complete the matter?
Ready, my lord.
Huh?
Ready, Lordship.
All right. You wish to cite some cases?
My lord, I'm ready, my lord.
No, you wish to cite some cases?
Yes, my lord.
How many?
My lord, two judgment, my lord.
All right. We'll keep it tomorrow as you keep this as the first matter tomorrow.
My lord.
My lord. My lord.
How much time you likely to take?
My lord, 15 minutes, my lord. 10, 15 minutes.
We have about five judgments, Lordship, to place reliance upon, my lord.
All right. Tomorrow this will be the first matter.
My lord. My lord.
Yes, please take down. advocate for the appellant commenced. Arguments in the appeal. Full stop. List the appeal for further arguments tomorrow as the first matter in the list. Please finish it off within half an hour.
My lord, my part is only 10 to 15 minutes, my lord.
My lord.
You bring the cases in a compilation and tell us the propositions and
Lordship.
and finish it up in half an hour.
My lord.
Highly
My
authorized.
lordship.